You guys, I'm super excited because I just got a package from FedEx and I can't wait to open this with you guys. So if you can't tell already, today's going to be an unboxing video featuring this product. I wonder what it is. No, I'm just joking. Let's see. DHair Boutique, and it is a Dallas-based hair company, much like She's Happy here in Houston. And my best friend that's from Dallas, she raves about this hair. Oh, this is so cute. She raves about this hair and it's like really amazing. And look at this packaging, guys. Guys, take note. Take note. Take note. Y'all take note. This is so cute. It says DHair Boutique Luxury Hair Extensions. Oh, it has like a ribbon. No, I'm joking. It says no hair can compare, and it says hello beautiful, and the hair is packaged like this. I honestly don't remember what I ordered. Okay, so I got the Burmese wavy curly hair, 2 14s and a 12, and it was on sale. I got it for $245. I think it's typically like $500. I don't know. It also came with some hair care tips. Co-washing is key. Oils and oil sheen and even mousse aren't necessary. That's true. Do not put oil. Don't put a lot of oil. Like, I know sometimes when we wash our hair, the shampoo strips the hair of those natural oils that are already in it. But you do want to add just a little bit. I mean, argan or the organics argan oil. That's what I use. You need to make sure your hair dries. And it says if you have Burmese, it's recommended to use the co-wash method every day or at least every other day. Thankfully, I'm making a wig, so I'm not going to be co-washing my hair every single day. They also have some recommended products to use. The Tresemme Keratin Smooth, Aussie Moist, or you can step it up a little bit with Joico, J-O-I-C-O products. And that's what they recommend for co-washing. So it says, hello beautiful. Let me just go in there and rip this open. Ooh, it smells good. This hair smells really good. So I'm assuming these were the 14s and this is the 12. And I got this hair honestly so it could be my birthday hair, but it didn't come in on time. But it's all good. This is the, ooh, I don't know about this itching, baby. This ain't cute. This ain't cute, y'all. I don't understand what that's supposed to be. I mean, maybe that's how virgin hair comes. I don't know. But that's not cute at all. Especially considering the amount of money I paid. But yeah, so this is the hair. It has like a little zip tie on it. Now I have to go find some scissors. So it came zip tied, so I'm gonna just chop it off. Or cut it off. All bundles came like that, but I'm just gonna open one bundle, the 14, and just the one that has this issue on it, but whatever. That's not cute. I'm sorry, but like, this is not okay. I ain't never had no bundles, even from I've never had bundles, even from AliExpress have this type of thing going on. Like, that is not cute at all. So I'm just gonna run my hands through it. It definitely feels very good. It smells really good. They must have used that Tresemme. So I will be using a co-wash because this hair does look kind of dry. But so